Murli Krishna is calling us from Visakhapatnam. Hi Murli, how can we help you today?
Yeah, hi, good morning. My query is on Ola Electric. I hold 11,700 quantity, which I initially bought at 85, 88, and I averaged it at price of 75 now. See, this is the most volatile stock which I have seen over few weeks. From positive 20, it is at negative 20 now within a month. So how would you look at this stock? Probably should I average it? It is at 60 levels now.
Yes. So, and what is the time horizon that you have? You bought a significant quantity and you've added to that. So, what's the time horizon that you have?
Except probably like 2-3 years. Any four-wheeler expected from Ola?
Not that I'm aware of.
Tesla coming in.
Not that I'm aware of, but I mean, this is a company that looks to disrupt. But from what I know of the automotive space, Murli, it's not very easy to set up a manufacturing plant to manufacture four-wheelers very, very easily, right? And so, therefore, I don't think that anything is in the offing right now. But let me go across to Shahina just to get her perspective on this. Shahina, Ola Electric, there have been disappointments, but the companies look to shore up its service offering. It's got a two-wheeler that it launched not too long back in the commuter space. Would you hold on to this or would you exit given the opportunity?
Well, the opportunity is definitely there, and they are actually trying to address one of their major issues, which is customer satisfaction and the problems that were originally there in their first launches. Having said that, I think, despite this correction, being a new listing, we really don't know which investors will try to book out yet slightly when the stock rebounds. So I would continue to hold, but at the same time, if I want to average, I will not average at current levels. I would say a 55 would be better levels if you want to average, because you see they are also losing market share. It's a very difficult, as Alex said, it's a very difficult space to actually compete. And you have the biggies like Hero, you have the biggies like Bajaj, which are coming out, TVS with very good bikes. So to that extent, it's electric bikes. So it's going to be a difficult space for them to actually regain back their market share. So don't average at current levels.
Average. Also, incidentally, on the point that a lot of people are focusing on today, and some of the automotive companies sulked early on in trade but rebounded, is the potential of Tesla coming in. And even for Tesla, it's not going to be very easy for them if they have to sell vehicles that they make here in India. They're not going to be able to set up capacity overnight. And so, therefore, I guess to a certain extent that has been taken by the street. Maruti is underperforming, but the rest have actually moved higher. Mahindra and Mahindra trading with gains of about 2.4% at this point. And it's a couple of electric vehicles doing particularly well in terms of the bookings that they've gotten starting Friday and heading into this week as well. Tube Investment is the next counter we're talking about. 2,950 is the buy price. Shabir is asking whether he should hold or exit. The stock is currently trading below the buy price at 2,740, but it's up and about in trade today. Akshay, what's the view?
Well, see, the stock has taken a beating in the last couple of months, and considering the oversold nature of the prices on the price charts, it is staging more of a pullback rally scenario. So really, if this is the bottom or not, the question is there is scope for one more round of bottom, which can be 2,500, and that's a massive support for the stock. So right now, it makes a lot of sense to take an exit around the pullback rally. 2,900 to 2,950 looks like a good best case scenario in the current situation. So on a slight pullback, it's recommended to take an exit in this stock.
Okay, all right.